Story telah London Network Daily Post.
Well, our preference is always to have a confirmed ambassador on the ground. It's an incredibly important diplomatic position. We also engage with countries through a range of channels, and obviously our Deputy National Security Advisor was just in India recently in the last few weeks. We have a range of ways to communicate and engage, and obviously sending our Deputy National Security Advisor is an example of that, but clearly our preference would be to have a confirmed ambassador.
Menta perluan orang HP kekubur. Balik ke appointment jong nomi khmat ke Amerika sa India. Kala siya akhang persya. Tong ni sangap. Kadan gajing pumti kena halor mano bansa di ambasador Amerika sa India. Kani kadai namar ba ujor ki Republican. Ya kajing ay kerteng yu Los Angeles Mayor. U Eric Garcetti. U balajit u Biden. Nagamta kani ga role batmay. Ki Republican kipan ban batchway kani ga kam. Namar badang sa akot kajing tokit. Hakabay bat ka sexual harassment. Jong new advisor jong Biden. Ka Amerika kala pentip ba ka posisyon jong nomi khmat jong ka sa India. Kadai kabarun kami ka posisyon sencar kadar. Kami di report ka ong bau Eric Garcetti menta. Umdap ikivut. Ban penisya kum ambasador sa India. Kaladan ka jingkuslay ka bajur. Hapo ka Democratic Party. Syapang ka nusib jong Eric Garcetti. Ban syakri kum ambasador sa India. Kabayle persya ikijing bersyang ka Sorkar Biden. Ban penjenjar halor ka Russia. Ka aksyas ka report bau Biden. Ula ban sayna ka kerteng ng Garcetti. But what the way candidates? Ubala ban shim mi kasuki kum nong mi khmat sa India. Ka politiko ka report ba. U Republican Senator Charles Grassi. U ong yo Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell. Panbat ya ganing nomination. Hadu da penkut ya gajing tokit. U Grassi wong. Ka Amerika ka kit ya gani sa Republic of India. Ban pa eki do ambassador batbet. U ban sa mi khmat ya ka jong ka Amerika. U Grassi susu wong. U Grassi ula bandai wala tbet ba. Tang ba gani ka por. Ka Senate ka don kamat kini biniak syushu. Ya ka jing syak kono jong u. Haka by day ber ka sexual harassment. Koble shibon. Story telah London Network Daily Post.